Welcome to Don Carinderia Series Plus. That's my Coco. Today we're gonna be making some banana chocolate chip muffins. This recipe came from Preppy Kitchen. Thank you, John Kanell. We will start with the dry ingredients first. We will need 180 grams of all-purpose flour. Then we will add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking is actually science. So everything should be precise, should be exact. So might as well invest in food scale if you're gonna be doing a lot of baking. Because you can't make tancha here unlike in cooking. Next is half a teaspoon of salt. By the way, while you're doing this, preheat your oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we'll add 113 grams of white sugar. Using a spatula that I just bought from IKEA, we're gonna mix this. We'll set this aside for now and we'll focus on our wet ingredients. For this recipe, we need 3 bananas. I'm using overripe ones. As you can see, this recipe doesn't require any special equipments. We're using a fork to mash our bananas. At this point, I'm adding an egg. We're also adding a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm gonna mix everything together now. I'm doing this while I'm also melting some butter in the microwave. We have here our melted butter, 75 grams of melted butter. It is time to marry our wet and dry ingredients. I'm carefully mixing everything together. Do not overmix this because you don't want your muffins to be dense. We want it soft and fluffy. Mix until you don't see the flour anymore. Lastly, I'm adding our dark chocolate chips, my favorite. I'm scooping now the batter into our muffin containers, lined containers. I'm adding some more chocolate chips on top. We're gonna bake our muffins for 18 to 20 minutes. It is time to take out our muffins from the oven. I will show you how delicious this is. Can you guys see? Oh my God, look at that. This is so delicious. Of course, may papasok ako ito. Ang sarap. Finger licking delicious, guys. This is your perfectly splendid banana chocolate chip muffins. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next week.